not feeling comfortable in your body?
Did yoga for peace and balance?
Meditation for focus?
Try talk therapy for emotional clarity?
Even tried hobbies to stay positive.
But nothing really clicked.
Then dance movement therapy might just be what you have been looking for.
Because sometimes moving through emotion can work better than talking about it. Stillness isn't the only path to peace. Sometimes movement is. There's clarity in motion, there's feeling in motion. Because when the body moves, the mind flows.